Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't get too attached to me. Everybody act like the answer. One love like in the movies. Wasting precious time assuming. Oh, were we made to fall? Solo and solely exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken so open, I gave until empty. Got it all back by myself, no nobody can tempt me. If I better off alone, I'll breathe in, embrace it on my own. Can't keep making exits from the pressure, lessons after lessons. Had to question these glaring design flaws. Can't keep love built from a love song. No, not only with solo and solely exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken so open. I gave and 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 I. And if I'm better off alone, breathe in, embrace it on my own. And if I'm better off alone, I breathe in, embrace it on my own, on my own. I've had my heart broken, crushed, yet I survived it. Refresh love, I've been reminded that it's all about alignment. Most people break up, most people break up. But even when broke, that's what you make up. And if I'm better off alone, breathe in, embrace it on my
What is up, guys? Welcome back to HikerX channel. My name is Tim. I'm your host this evening. We are in Sydney, Australia, and this is my 2006 Nissan X-Trail. I sold the Jeep when I was in Alaska and then flew to Australia and bought this Nissan, and here we are. It's been a while since I've actually pulled out the camera and filmed myself talking, or really anything other than just for social media type stuff. Or I haven't even held the camera or the phone, sideways, pretty much at all, I think, in the past month plus. So yeah, actually probably multiple months now that I think about it. But yeah, this is already a minute-long video, so I'm going to try to talk faster. But we're going to spend the night in Sydney, at Sydney Park, hopefully, and overnight park there because I've got to sell this vehicle tomorrow. I know it's weird. I just started this video, and you're going to be like, oh, wow, he's already selling the vehicle that he just got. Well, I've already been here a month in Australia, and I'm heading to New Zealand tomorrow. In New Zealand, I'm planning on hiking the Tiarara, which is the long trail through New Zealand. And I'm not going to buy another vehicle. I'm just going to do the through hike of the trail, which is 1,800 miles. But yeah, I've already seen everything from Melbourne and Phillips Island down to Wilson's Prom, all the way up to the Gold Coast, and everything up in Brisbane area, and then Sydney as well. But I figured I'd film at least a video before I leave here for YouTube. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. You've already seen me getting into this area. I'm in Zetland right now, and I'm gonna go over to the park. It is raining, of course, but maybe I can get into the park and get one shot of the city in the distance if it's not too bad cloudy. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, made it to the park. It's not raining. It's actually pretty nice. Maybe we'll get up on top of the hill over here and see a nice sunset. But yeah, originally I wasn't even gonna film a video in Australia. I just kind of wanted to have it all to myself, but I figured, what's one video, right? Keep the YouTube channel going. So that's what they call the CBD, Central Business District, up in there. Nobody likes to drive up in there. Wonder why. Man, it's so busy in there. When I first got here, I walked through here and went directly into the city, and man, it was pretty busy. But yeah, it looks like we're perfect time for sunset. Yeah, so Sydney is literally like the city that never sleeps. So we'll see if I get any sleep tonight, but this puts me like 15 minutes away from where I'm supposed to be in the morning at like 8 o'clock. so that's good. I've never slept this close to the city though in my car. So anyways, it'll be fine. But yeah, gonna be in New Zealand tomorrow to hike the Long Trail. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film anything there either, but at least Australia didn't disappoint for the last day to be here. I'm gonna wait for it to get dark and then crawl into the Nissan, and I don't think anyone's gonna bother me. Apparently there's a thing here, if it's legal to park, then it's legal to sleep in the back of your vehicle. We'll find out. All right, guys, we made it. Spent the whole night there last night. It was loud, everything else, but we did it. Now we're on the way to driver services.